In this video, I will show you how to insert signature into your Word document. With no further ado, let's jump in and get started. First, you will need to write your signature on a piece of paper. Then, use your smartphone to take a picture of the signature and send it to your computer, either through email, Bluetooth, Google Drive, or whatever seems easier for you. In our case, I will send it to my email and download it to my computer. Now, let's open Microsoft Word and insert the signature into the document. Click the Insert tab. In the Illustrations group, click Pictures. From the drop-down menu, click this device. Navigate to where you have the signature saved. In our case, it's in the Downloads folder. Select the image and click Insert. The signature is now added to the document. You can use the sizing handles to resize the image. While the image is selected, from the Picture Format tab, click Crop in the size group. Use the sizing handles to crop the image. Remove all unnecessary parts. Then hit Enter to save the changes. Again, select the image. Click the Picture Format tab. From the Adjust group, click Color. In the Recolor section, choose Black and White from the Color Gallery. You can choose black and white 50% or 25%. Whatever works for you. I will choose black and white 50%. Perfect. Next, we're going to insert signature line. Click where you want the line. Click the Insert tab. In the text group, click Signature line. In the Signature Setup box, enter the suggested signer's name, suggested signer's title. You can also enter the signer's email address. We're going to leave that blank. Once you are done, click OK. Lastly, right-click the image. From the Context menu, hover over Wrap Text and select In Front of Text. Drag and drop the signature on the signature line. You got it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see more tutorials like this.